Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the primary fields on your search page, on your advanced search page. So what this looks like is if you go to your advanced search page, you have two sets of fields on this page. You're going to have your primary or core fields. These are pretty much the same fields that are found from MLS to MLS, no matter whether you're in California or Connecticut. And then you have your advanced fields. I have another webinar on how to edit the advanced fields. So if you want to edit those, you can go watch that webinar. And for this one, I'm going to show you how to edit these fields. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into your IDXBroker dashboard and you're going to go to Designs and then Pages. And then you're going to come down to the page you want to edit. You can edit your advanced search, your email update sign up, and any custom pages as long as they're also an advanced search page. Or actually, you can edit any custom pages. So you can edit your easy search, advanced search, email update, and any other pages that you create. So I'm going to use the advanced search as my example. I'm going to go to Page Preferences, and I'm going to go to Search Setup. And here's your search setup. Now in this case, this MLS or this client has two MLSs. So there's a couple of different things that you can do with that. You can, since this is the advanced search page and the primary advanced page, you saw on the other page that we had created a single page for each of the MLSs. And we did that by opening those pages, same options, choosing the MLS, and then hiding this. So it becomes a field that has an option that's already set, but it's hidden. So in this case, we want to leave this option available so that the client, when they come to this page, can choose between the two MLSs. And we're just going to choose Hilton Head MLS as the one that we want them to see when they first go to the site. So when they first are on the advanced search page, they're going to see Hilton Head MLS. They have to change it to see the other one. So this is what we're setting for this option. Subtype is here. If we want to hide that field, we can. I actually have some hidden fields in here, so I'm going to go ahead and unhide them so you can see them. So property type, we're going to leave this at single family. You could change it if maybe your primary market was condos. You could set it as condos. It just makes the searching easier. Status, I almost always hide status. So if it only has one option in it and that's active, then that's the option we're going to choose, and we're going to hide that field because that's what we want to show people is the active properties. We don't want to show them pending because that's just frustrating, or contingent or anything like that. We want to show them status, or we want to show them active. Minimum price, maximum price, you usually want to leave those alone. You don't want to put a price in there because then you're basically giving every person a standard price instead of letting them put in their own price. And if they don't notice those fields and they jump right down to the advanced fields, then they might not get all the results. We want them to get as many results as possible. Subtype we're going to leave in here. City, county, postal code we're going to leave in here. Bathrooms, bedrooms we're going to leave in here as well. And then heated square feet. So you'll notice on the advanced field that I have a heated square feet here. And I added it here because it gives me a min-max availability. So typically with these, we hide this field because it doesn't say, let me unhide it real quick, it doesn't say whether it's a min-max. It just says enter a number. So the client doesn't know whether they're typing in, well, I want at least 1,500 or a maximum of 1,500. And you don't want them to guess on that. So we just hide this field and we add it via the advanced fields instead. So they can put, I want at least 1,500, but no more than 3,000. Or they can just say, I want at least 1,500. Acres is the same thing. We usually hide this field as well. And you'll see right here, they have an acres field. So we want to go ahead and hide this as well. Then you have max days listed, which you can change. You can put a specific number here if you want. Refinement. This allows people to search open houses, featured listings. You cannot remove any of these, but you can hide this field if you want to hide it. Sort by newest listings. I always put newest because people are on your site probably searching every day if they're an active buyer. You want them to see the newest listings that just came on the market quickest. So that's why we usually set this to newest listings, although some people may change that. And then results per page, I usually set this to 50, and then that way they're getting a lot of results and they don't have to keep going page by page by page when they get to the results page. So again, you can hide any of these. You can set the default for any of these. And you can also change your city list. So if you have a custom city list for this page that you only want it to show certain cities so it doesn't pull up cities that are 50, 60, 70, 100 miles away from you, you can create your own custom city list. That's another video, and you can choose it from this drop down. And we do have advanced fields on this page. That's the fields that are below the reset and search button. So you, if you wanted to turn those off, you could, but this is the advanced search page. You kind of want those on. So once you're done, you save your changes, and then you're good to go. Go back here and refresh the page, and our changes are made. So that's how you're going to edit this page. You can also edit any of your other search pages. Easy search, again, click on the edit, search setup, and this is a different page layout, so you could choose different options on this one. This is an older one. I tend to use the mobile first and leave these here, and you definitely want to leave heated square feet and minimum acres here because this page is not going to have the advanced fields. So when you go to pages, if you look at the easy search page, this does not have the advanced fields. It's not supposed to. It's easy search, and by using this page, they're actually searching both MLSs. If you only have one MLS, that doesn't matter. This is basically any easy search page is not going to have advanced fields, even if on the page itself, on the page preferences, it says it does. It doesn't. Easy search is not for the advanced search fields. So hopefully this tutorial has helped you out. If you have any questions, we'd love to help you out. You can email us at support@yoursiteneedsme.com or give us a call at 517-917-0582. If you don't have an IDXBroker developer partner, be sure to get in contact with us. There's a lot of free stuff like this that we do for you automatically and continue to do for you as long as you have your IDXBroker account and maintain it for you. So lots of free stuff you get by being our developer partner, and it doesn't cost you anything. So be sure to inquire with us if you don't, and we can give you a call and let you know how we can help you out. Have a great day, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video.
Yeah, pero,